Intro, presented by Ridemexo. The Harley Davidson Road Glide stands as one of the most iconic touring machines on American roads. Built for long journeys, power, and unmistakable attitude, it's a bike that defines the spirit of open road freedom. Design and aerodynamics. The Road Glide is known for its aggressive shark nose fairing, designed to cut through the wind with stability and precision. Its wide stance, premium finishes, and signature LED lighting give it a bold, unmistakable touring presence. Engine and performance. Powered by the Milwaukee 8 engine lineup, the Road Glide delivers strong torque, smooth acceleration, and effortless highway cruising. Harley's refined suspension enhances comfort, making long-distance rides feel relaxed and controlled. Comfort and technology. The bike features a comfortable touring seat, spacious hard saddlebags, and advanced infotainment with touchscreen controls. Rider-focused tech like navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and optional safety enhancements elevate the touring experience. Why riders love it? The Road Glide offers power, comfort, and iconic style in one package. It's built for riders who want a dependable long-distance machine with Harley's signature character and road presence.